Chapter 2: Safety and First Aid. You will learn safety rules, safety at home, safety at school, safety in the playground, safety in the swimming pool, safety on the road, first aid. Safety rules. It is very important to follow safety rules in our life. By doing so, we can avoid many accidents and can remain safe throughout. Sometimes accidents take place inside or outside the house and we get injured. If we obey safety rules, we can save ourselves. Safety rules should be followed everywhere and every time. Safety at home. We need to be safe at home. There are many things at home that we use. Some of them may harm you. So, be careful while using them. Sharp objects such as scissors, knife or blade should be used carefully. You should keep them in a fixed place after using. Do not play with sharp things. There are many electrical appliances in the house. We need them as they make our life comfortable. You should not touch them. Never touch electrical appliances with wet or bare hands. You may get electric shock. It is dangerous to touch electric wires or broken switches. Do not put your fingers in the electric socket. Keep your fingers away from the table fan blade. Stay away from hot iron. Playing with fire could be dangerous for you. Do not go near a gas stove in the kitchen. Stay away from matchsticks. Be careful if the floor of the house is wet. You may slip and fall. Do not leave your toys and other things scattered on the floor. You or any other person may trip over. Safety at school. When you are in school, you should follow certain safety rules and be disciplined. School is a place where you learn, play, and enjoy if you remember the following. Do not try to jump over the furniture. Do not push your classmates. Never run in the corridors. Never play with pencil. Its sharp lead may hurt you. Do not run up and down in the stairs. Do not fly paper planes. It may hurt others. School bus safety rules. How do you go to school? By school bus? Do you follow the safety rules? Let us know how you can safely go and come back from school. Be in a queue while boarding the bus. Do not push your friends to board the bus. Do not peep out from the window. Keep your head or arms inside. Do not disturb the bus driver. Do not throw anything on the passerby. It may cause accident. Do not stand exactly behind or in front of the bus, as the driver cannot see you. Stay away from the bus while crossing the road. Safety in the playground. Do you go to play in the playground of your school? Are you playing there safely? When you are in the playground, you need to follow the rules of the game. Do not push other children. Wait for your turn at the swings. Do not run around carelessly. Safety in the swimming pool. Do you love to go for swimming in the school? You must follow certain safety rules in the swimming pool. Always go for swimming under the guidance of the teacher or elders. Use your swimming tube at the time of swimming. Swim along with a friend. Safety on the road. Be very careful on the road to avoid accidents. Remember the following safety rules on the road. Do not run or play on the road. Always walk on the footpath or sidewalk while walking on the road. Walk on the left side of the street, facing traffic, if there are no sidewalks or footpath. While crossing the road, first look to your left and then to the right. Watch for turning cars from both left and right. Cross the road at zebra crossing. Never cross or enter the street from between parked cars. First aid. The The first medical help given to an injured person or who has suddenly fallen sick is called first aid. This helps to save the life of the patient till he gets proper medication. The first aid for different medical problems is not the same. Let us learn about it. For burns, there is usually redness and some swelling on the skin due to burns. Wash the affected area under cool running water for at least 10 minutes. It reduces pain and the swelling. Lightly apply antibacterial cream and cover with a gauze bandage after this. Do not prick the blisters that have formed. For minor cuts, clean the wound thoroughly with water. This reduces the risk of infection and possible complications. While rinsing the wound, if the blood flow increases, use gauze or a clean cloth to apply gentle, continuous pressure until the blood stops. Now, an antibiotic ointment can be applied. It keeps the wound from getting infected and speed up the healing process. A doctor may be consulted. The wound should be dressed with a bandage or sterile gauze to keep dirt and bacteria out. When a person faints, make the unconscious person lie down with head little lowered than the whole body. This helps the faster flow of blood to the brain. You may sprinkle water on his forehead. Let the person take rest and do not disturb. Call for a doctor immediately. Emergencies should be managed with anything which is readily available and gives some relief in case of pain or any other problem. One should not get panicky or nervous in such a situation. Instead, use presence of mind and not let the problem aggravate. Let us revise. We should follow safety rules all the time everywhere. Use sharp objects such as scissors, knife or blade carefully. Do not play with fire. It could be dangerous for you. Be in a queue while boarding the school bus. In the playground, do not push others and wait for your turn. Go for swimming under the guidance of the teacher or an elder. First aid helps to save the life of a person till he gets proper medication.